prisoner dilemma is a concept in game theory that reveals the complex dynamics of strategic decision making, where individual self-interest can lead to negative outcomes for all parties involved. To illustrate this principle, I'll examine a pharmaceutical industry. Imagine two pharmaceutical companies working on a revolutionary cancer drug. They can either invest heavily in research and development or minimize their investment and potentially free ride on another company's work. We can represent this scenario with a payoff matrix. If both companies invest heavily, they can both earn 8. If one invests heavily while the other minimizes, the investing company earns 2 and the free rider earns 10. If both minimize investment, they each earn 4. The idea that both companies want to minimize their investments is called dominant strategy analysis. If Company 1 invests heavily, Company 2 wants to minimize their investment. But if Company 1 minimizes their investment, Company 2 also wants to minimize their investment. The Nash equilibrium occurs when both companies choose minimal investment, resulting in each a payoff of 4. Paradoxically, this is worse than if they both invested heavily, which would have yielded 8, as seen here. To encourage cooperation and break this dilemma, several strategies could be implemented. The first is collaborative agreements. This would include shared financial risks, transparent progress reporting, mutual beneficial sharing, and penalties for withdrawing, lessening their own individual self-interest. Second is regulatory incentives by the government. They could offer tax breaks for collaborative research, provide funding for joint progress, or reward cooperative behavior between companies. A third solution is reputation. Establishing industry-wide recognition for companies demonstrating collaboration makes cooperation more attractive than short-term self-interest. The prisoner dilemma demonstrates how individual rational choices can lead to collectively negative outcomes. By understanding these strategic interactions, organizations can design mechanisms that align individual incentives with broader collaborative goals. The prisoner dilemma extends far beyond pharmaceutical research, appearing in environmental conservation, international diplomacy, and economic policy. It serves best as a powerful reminder that sometimes most rational individual choice is not the most beneficial collective outcome. Thank you.